A very good morning to all of you, my dear student of class 6. This is your physical education period. Dear student, our chapter bones and posture defect is going on. You can see bones and posture defect is going in this series. Today we will going the do the exercise first. Okay. First is choose the correct option. Which of the following the bones is a part of the forelimbs is scapula? Second, which of the following joint is present in the wrist and ankles? Gliding joint. Okay. Now third, which of the following is not a symptoms of sprain? Vomiting. Fourth, which of the following posture defect is associated with the sideway curving of the spine, scoliosis? And fifth, which of the following posture defect is also known as round shoulder, kyphosis? Okay. Now fill in the blanks. First is dash present inside the bone help in the formation of RBCs and WBCs. This is bone marrow. Your second is dash is caused by the collapsing of the arch is flat foot. And last is in dash posture defect legs curve inwards knock knee. And exercise C, true and false. The cartilage covers the bones at the joint and help avoid friction between them. It will be true. Hyperextension helps in kyphosis. It will be false. People appear to the slouching because of lordosis. It will be false because slouching is found in round shoulder. Number 4, patella. Number 4, patella bone is the knee is example of the sesamoid. True. And number 5, a sprain is caused by injury in the ligament. It will be true. Our next topic is define the following, in which we will do the only 3: movable joint, sprain and posture. First, what is movable joint? The joint that allow movements like bending, rotating and twisting are called movable joint. The movable joints have a special liquid called synovial fluid closed in the bag around them. And second is sprain. When the ligaments present at the joint get turned, twist and the resulting injury is termed as sprain. And third is posture. Posture is a position in which we held our body while standing, sitting, walking or laying down. This is posture. Maintaining a good posture is important for our health and the overall well-being. Now come to the questions. Our first question is explain the 4 types of movable joint. There are 4 types of movable joints in our body. These are hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot and gliding joint. First is hinge joint. The hinge joint is present in the elbow, knees, finger and toes. This joint allows movement in only one direction. Okay. Now second, ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint is found in our shoulder. The ball and socket joint is present in the shoulder and hip joint. In this joint, the ball-shaped end of one bone fits into the cup-shaped end of the other bone. It allows movement, shoulder rotation, adduction and abduction. Okay, next is pivot joint. The pivot joint is present between first and second vertebra and the skull. We can move our head up, down and sideways because of this joint. The next is gliding joint. The gliding joint is present at the wrist and ankles. We can turn, bend and twist because of this joint. Okay. Then our next question is state one example of each type of bones along with its location. I will send you the pic of the answer. You can write in your physical education copy. Third is what is cartilaginous joint? Give example. Or for this question I will also send the pic. And What are the symptoms of the following disorder? Scoliosis, flat foot, kyphosis and lordosis. मैं इसके लिए भी मैं आपको पिक सेंड कर दूंगी और आप इसको कर सकते हैं. सेकेंडली, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, जो आप लोग जो भी स्टूडेंट क्लास नहीं कर रहे हैं उनके लिए हम ये बता रहे हैं ऑनलाइन आप लोगों का 30 नंबर का फिजिकल एजुकेशन का प्रैक्टिकल होगा और 50 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर होगा. 30 मार्क्स में आप लोग का 20 नंबर का आपका प्रोजेक्ट वर्क है और 10 नंबर की आपकी प्रैक्टिकल है. प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में आपको आपको वो स्टिक वाली फाइल लेना है. इंटरलीव पेज में सूर्य नमस्कार के पोस्टर बनाने हैं और अबाउट द सूर्य नमस्कार लिखना है. फ्रंट पेज में यू कैन राइट डाउन योर क्लास नेम, सेक्शन एंड राइट द प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ फिजिकल एजुकेशन. और फॉर योर practical you have to prepare any 2 asan and practical will start from the Monday. Okay, have a nice day.